Hi guys, today from my kitchen I'm going to show you a delicious cake. I'm going to make cranberry cake. So easy and so soft from inside. It's so delicious. First I'm gonna list all the ingredients down in the description box, and let me show you quick the ingredients that we need. We need plain flour, oil, sunflower oil, or you can use any kind of oil that you want. I'm using dried cranberries. If you wanted to use the fresh, it's okay. You have to wash them very good and then cut them in half. And we need yogurt, plain yogurt, and we need 3 eggs, and we need orange zest. We need like 3 tablespoons. We need baking powder, vanilla, sugar. That's all. And here I have the tin that I'm going to use. I just spreaded all of it with butter. And first I just turn on my oven to 180 Celsius to just because we wanted to preheat the oven before. And let's get started. Okay, first I'm going to sift the flour. This cake is super easy. I'm going to mix the dry ingredients separate, and then the liquid ingredients. First I'm going to sift the flour. Okay, so what I'm going to do here, I have the dried cranberries. I'm going to mix them with a little bit of flour. I don't want them to be stick. Okay, perfect. Alright, so just keep them separate. Keep them aside. And next step, I'm going to add a baking powder. Okay, so I'm going to add here the sugar. I'm going to add the egg on them. Perfect. Okay, I'm going to whisk the ingredients very good. Okay, so I'm gonna add on them the oil, and I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Also, I'm going to add the yogurt. The yogurt is unsweetened yogurt. Okay, just mix the baking powder with the flour, and I'm going to add on them the liquid ingredients, and then mix them carefully with the spatula. Okay, so now I'm going to add the orange zest. Oh wow, that smells so delicious, so fresh. Okay, and final step, I'm going to add on them the cranberries like so. Mix it.
Oh, yummy. Okay, so here we prepare the baking tape. I'm going to pour them.
Alright, here we go. The cake is ready to be baked into the oven between 35 to 45 minutes. I'm going to check it after 35 minutes and I'll tell you after that the exact time. So guys, see you after that. Okay guys, here we go. This is the cake on 180 Celsius. I just bake it 45 minutes exactly. So now I just left it to cool down for 20 minutes. And now I'm going to shake it and then flip it over. Woo. Okay, so guys, the final step, I'm going to add some sugar, icing sugar on top of the cake. Wow. That's so gorgeous. Okay, so let me show you the inside of the cake, how it looks like. I know that I should leave it more than that. You know, you have to leave it like 40 minutes outside just to cool down. But the cake looks so perfect. Wow, with the orange zest, with the cranberries. Smells so yummy. It's so soft, so soft. Look at the cake. Oh wow. Wow. Still a little bit warm, but as you can see, it's so spongy. It's so spongy. It's so yummy. I love it. The cranberries, the orange zest, the cake is so soft, with the yogurt tastes so yummy. Guys, I hope you enjoy it. So try it, you will love it, and follow the same step that I did, and I'm going to list for you down in the description box the recipe. Just try it and I'm sure that you will like it. So stay tuned and I will see you soon in another video or another recipe of food. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Bye.